Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang iyong weekly readings, weekly ganap for January 6 to 12, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, and mag-comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. And thank you sa lahat ng mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. It really helps a lot dito sa channel na to para magpatuloy pa rin tayo sa reading. Ayan. And then, tinan natin, kuha tayo ng mga cards pa for you. So, unahin na natin magkuha ng mga cards para dire-diretso ang ating reading. Okay, and then we have tarot cards. Sagittarius, January 6 to 12. What's up? Okay. Let's go. You have the Hanged Man, the Devil, the Emperor, the Ten of Pentacles, and the King of Wands. Okay. So, alam nyo, Sagittarius, may mga times kasi na akala natin we are in control of our lives. Pero actually, yung desires natin, yun yung nagko-control sa atin. 'Di ba? So, I think ngayon, you are realizing na meron tayong mga gusto or desire sa buhay natin na hindi talaga siya nakakabuti for us. So, that is your way of releasing that para mabawasan yung mga challenges na pwede nyong kaharapin. Let's say for example, no, meron kang mga unhealthy habits. And yung unhealthy habits na yon ay desires mo, yun yung gusto mo eh. But alam mo sa sarili mo na unhealthy yon. Hindi yun nakakabuti sa'yo. Pero ginagawa mo pa rin anyway kasi nga you are feeding your desires. But for some of you, you want to be in control of your life. Na ikaw na yung nagdidikta kung ano ang makakabuti para sa'yo at hindi. Na syempre may kasamang realistic side doon. Na alam mo na, let's say, mga bisyo. O yan, kung meron kang unhealthy habits, may bisyo ka na hindi nakakatulong sa'yo, alam mo yon na hindi nakakabuti sa'yo. And now, you finally realize na it's time to release that. Let that go. Tapusin na kung ano man yan. No? At mamuhay ng masaya, malaya. No? So, that's what I'm seeing for you. It's like you are looking at yourself on the mirror. It's like, tinitingnan mo yung self-reflection mo na, ano ba talaga ang gusto mo? And yung gusto mo ba is in alignment sa ginagawa mo. Another example, gusto mong maging healthy. No? Gusto mong maging malusog, malakas, masigla. So, you're asking yourself, are you living in alignment of your goals? Yung gusto mong maging healthy, pero may mga bisyo ka na hindi mabuti sa katawan mo, 'di ba? Or wala kang ginagawang actions para maging healthy yung sarili mo. So, it's you knowing your desires, but at the same time, alam mo rin kung ano yung mga sacrifices na kailangan mong gawin para makuha mo yung gusto mo. And that is to let go of the desires na hindi mabuti para sa'yo. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng desires natin makakabuti para sa atin, 'di ba? So, with the Ten of Pentacles here, King of Wands, I see you exploring your options sa finances, sa career, sa business. Pwedeng iba, magsa-start kayo ng business on your own, or travel opportunities. Okay. See what else. Teacher. You have message and right. Okay. So this is transformation. Um, I think very clear sa'yo ngayon yung nare-receive mo ng message. When I say nare-receive mo ng message, yun yung awareness, realization mo about your life. Okay? And now, yung mga natutunan mo in the past, yun, through your experiences, no, sa pamamagitan ng mga karanasan mo, ituturo mo rin yan sa iba. And yan yung parang magbibigay sa'yo ng pagbabago sa sitwasyon mo na kung dati, ikaw yung gusto ng kaliwanagan, and ngayon, ikaw na yung magbibigay ng clarity sa iba dahil sa isi-share mo na knowledge, experience, base sa mga napagdaanan mo. You have Saturn in the 5th house. And then the Venus in the 4th house. So 4th house is your home life, your family life. Venus is the planet of love, abundance, prosperity, money. So I think meron kang mga bagong projects pagdating sa bahay, sa home life, family life. Can be a new bagong furniture or renovation, something that you will spend money on. Pwede rin tong giving birth, like a new baby, a new member of the family is entering your life. And then Saturn in the 5th house, be careful sa mga romantic connections na hindi nagbibigay ng commitment sa'yo. Kasi maaring sinasayang mo lang yung oras mo dun. And then sa money, career, finances, so you're facing the future with excitement as you follow your dreams and embracing your passion. So yung iba sa inyo, alam nyo na kung saan, ano yung destination na gusto nyong marating pagdating sa career, sa business, sa finances. And then sa relationship, some of you are in a soulmate connection, twin flame connection. It's time for healing, not war. So you are healing from your past. Kung ikaw ay may mga nakaaway, no, mga nakasamaan ng loob, I think mananahimik ka na. Yung tipong hindi mo na sila papansinin. Hayaan mo na lang kung ano yung mga trip nilang gawin sa buhay nila, but you will not engage. Okay? So you are going to focus on your healing. What is the North Star? Uy, King of Pentacles. Yung iba sa inyo, merong very promising position sa trabaho, sa business, sa career. And you are going to be successful in sa mga ipupurso mo sa buhay. What is Twin Flame? Two of Pentacles. So, I think when it comes to relationship, importante yung efforts na binibigay nyo sa connection ninyo, whether this is a romantic relationship or family or friendship. Kasi yun yung magbibigay or magpapatibay sa bond ninyo together. Okay? So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. See you again.